Good morning, everyone. Lori Marie here, mixed media artist in Vallejo, California. It's time for me to start a new altered book, and I've learned some things about keeping the structure stronger in our altered book adventures. So I just wanted to make a quick little video and share with you what I have learned. And it has things to do with gluing the pages together and removing pages from the signatures. So you will be removing about 20% of the pages. If that's scary at first, just remove as you go. So enough from me. See you on the table. As we create more altered books together, I learn more and more, of course. I'm learning right along with you. And we're going to talk about preparing the book. So I've opened, it's important that you have a book that has sewn-in signatures. Not just the glued-in signatures, but the sewn-in signatures. And what you'll want to do when you remove the pages is find the center of a signature where you can see the stitches. All right? I have paper clips here to mark a couple of things. So, what you're going to want to do in the center of that signature is you are going to remove those pages. They are hooked together, so you'll actually be removing two pages at once. All right? And then when you're gluing them together, it is important that you not glue this page to this page, because then it loses its stability here. So you will want to glue the center of this signature on the next page. I know it's kind of confusing. So we removed the center page by the string, and the next page we are going to glue someplace else rather than back onto itself here, only because that weakens the structure. And those pages will come out. Another thing that will strengthen our book is to find the end of the signature, and you can do that by looking at the edge of the book. You can see where that signature ends. And this page will be glued to the next signature, giving that stability there, rather than having that signature out on its own, because then the structure of the book is weakened. All right, so that's all I have to say about that. This is the book that I'm going to start altering. It's a little bit big, but the structure of it is very, very strong. And with these new tips that I've learned, it's going to be even a stronger altered book. So, go create, go play, go have fun. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me on this journey as I learn right along with you.